begin with breaking news out of Fordham. Firefighters say they responded to an overnight building fire at 253 East 196th Street between Briggs Avenue and Valentine Avenue. So we're going to show you this Citizen App video of the scene here. That massive FDNY presence. Here we're told that the fire started on the second floor of this building. It took 106 firefighters plus EMS workers to calm the blaze. 13 people were hurt because of this fire. And right now the fire marshal is still trying to figure out exactly what sparked the blaze. Stick with us here on News 12 The Bronx. We'll bring you those latest updates when we get them.